Trend lines are diagonal lines drawn on the chart, which highlight the direction of the market. To track them, we need to identify two parameters: the trend, the reversal points, swing. By connecting the swings with a straight line, a trend line is obtained, which is used to identify a trend direction and a possible reversal in correspondence with a subsequent swing. A trend line is drawn by joining two swing points. The third swing point will be that of a possible bounce on the trend line, to be used for opening the trade. Important: if the trend is bullish, the lower swings are connected. If the trend is bearish, the upper swings are connected. This is often ignored by traders. The reason is that the direction of the trade must be in the direction of the trend. For example, if the trend is bullish and we trace the trend line by combining the upper swings, we would find ourselves in a position to open a transaction contrary to the current trend. Vice versa for the bearish trend. If you want to try using trend lines, we recommend the close option demo. The broker has demonstrated seriousness over the years with always precise payments. Its link has always been the same and has never been obscured by the institutions. It has a stable platform with prices identical to TradingView, minimum deposit of $5, an honest payout on major pairs of 80% and above. Payment also with PayPal and always active 40% voucher. Try it. Find the link in the description. How to use charting tools on close option. Access the platform and click on the pen symbol at the top left. Select the Fibonacci lines. Click on the chosen point and drag the mouse to another point. You can move a point to your preferred location. Let's choose another graphic symbol. Click on the pen symbol again. Select trend lines. Position the mouse in the preferred point and then move it at the chosen angle. Here are some trading examples. You can find an article with PDF complete with other important information at the link in the description. Sign up to not miss updates and new videos.